Hey guys, how you doing? I'm going to show you a little Windows developer preview right here of Windows 8, which is running virtually right now. And it may not be running smooth because I'm recording this and running Windows 8 virtually, but playing around with this, it runs very smooth. So let me just give you a few things about this. So for one thing, I don't know what that did just there. It looked like a clock or something. So this is like the desktop, and this isn't really the main thing about Windows anymore. It seems more like the start menu, I guess. And you may think that a little Windows or a little pop-up thing is going to pop up, but no, that's going to come up. So now there's no more start menu. It's more like the start board here. So you got Internet Explorer, I think an app store. For some reason it doesn't want to open. Probably hasn't been created yet. So it looks like there's going to be an actual app store for Windows now, which is kind of good. News, socialize, none of these seem to work for some reason. Probably not up yet and running. Maybe I just need to restart the little virtual Windows here. Control panel works actually for some reason. You know, you can change your personalize here, personalization, and actually let me go back here to more settings, and then let me make this full screen view. Switch to full screen, switch, and there we go. So now you should be able to see this in full screen right here. Now we're going to make it extra large display. Oh, I clicked that. No, just screen resolution. Make this, bump this up a little bit so it's bigger for you guys right here maybe. No, revert. Here we go. This is probably going to work. Apply. Okay, there we go. So keep changes. So now it's a little bigger, more easier to see for you guys. And of course, you're seeing this isn't really running smooth because I'm running a lot of things at once. My Mac's already getting kind of hot here. And so Windows does seem pretty good. It has like a different look to this. It looks a little more, what's the word? Is it translucent? No, that's more of a less translucent look to it. With Windows 7 it looked a lot more translucent. This looks a more like matted color to it, less shiny and glass looking. Plus it looks a little more, I don't know, just better. The start menu, I really doubt they're going to keep that. They're probably just putting that little gray background for now, but that looks really ugly. I don't think this is the default background. I think they're going to make it different, just like they did with Windows 7. They had this other one. Now they're going to probably change it. Internet Explorer is exactly the same. Internet Explorer 8, they're probably not going to change that for a while. Close all tabs. And the File Explorer, or Windows Explorer is a lot different. Like you get your file manager. Other than that, it's pretty the same. You can minimize this to get your more classic look, but you can't really get rid of these tabs other than this little button, which I don't like because they take up a lot of space. Maybe it's a little more practical to have these for something like Microsoft Word, but something that you don't really need for this Explorer window doesn't really make any sense. Of course, you can make it smaller and you still get your file menu, and this can just pop up whenever you wish. Wonder if you can get rid of it. I don't know. See, that's the thing about Windows. They give you a lot of options. There's a lot more settings in Windows. So, Windows accessories. It's not really easy to access these. I guess supposedly they should be on here on the, quote, start menu, if that's what they call this. But it does seem... It doesn't seem very good. And this doesn't... Oh, there we go. Huh, it worked. Ink pad. Okay, what's this? Okay, I guess that crashed. Flashcards? Oh, cool. You double click it? Oh, you double click it. That's what you do, huh? Okay. Oh, this looks cool. Flashcards. Okay. Shapes. Circle. Triangle, hectagon, square. So this looks like some kind of third-party thing. It doesn't really look like clear. What? I don't know. exit. How do you exit on this? Do you click escape? No. Tilde. No, F1. That's supposed to bring up help sometimes. Let's try Control-Alt-Delete. Machine. Control-Alt-Delete. Ooh, this looks different. Looks interesting. Can you get? Yep, you got your task manager. So let's quit this. Task manager looks, oh wow, different. Actually, I don't like it because I like you going into processes, not, okay, that was probably not a good idea. Start, there we go. Yeah, I like going into processes because it ends it a lot better and faster. Oh, and it even updates it to like this last square I was on, or last thing I was on. No space. Yeah, all these tiles are working now. Ooh, this is cool. How do you escape these? Anyways, you're like some kind of like double tap, click, drag, right click. Oh, what did I just do there? That was probably just some settings. Nah, it's nothing. Click, double click. There's got to be a way to get out of this. Recover. There's got to be a way to escape. Oh, you can scroll up and down. This is cool. How do I get out of this? Okay, I'm just going to do the Control-Alt-Delete thing. There's probably a way to do it, but I really doubt they want you to go into this all the time. Oh, it was probably the start menu. Start button. No. Cancel. End task. Yeah, I don't really get how to do this. And I'm running this on a Mac virtually. So start? I don't know what, I don't know. Come on, load. Oh, there we go. Yeah, this just seems glitchy and buggy, but actually without the recording thing, which I'm running right now, it seemed actually really nice. I think it's oh wow, this is cool. There's like an alarm system. This operating system is a little more built for, how do you get out of this? This is killing me. There's got to be a way. There's got to be a way. I'm just going to have to keep doing Control-Delete. Right click seems to be like the menu. Scroll up, click. There's got to be a command key. But it seems like more full screen apps is what Microsoft wants to go towards. They kind of have abandoned their desktop operating system and going more to this full screen thing that they have going. That kind of resembles Windows Phone 7. There we go. Build Windows. No, cancel. Yeah, I'm fine. Oh, great. Now I have to go to Control-Delete again. I'm probably being really idiotic and don't know how to do it. There's probably, I don't know, there's no buttons, so. Okay. Here we go. Alarms, note space, copper, ink pad, aircraft. That looks cool. So let's go into the more other stuff. So you got your control panel. It seems a little more different. Default pictures are more desert looking, more dry area, kind of, other than this flower picture probably. Of course, all the backgrounds are always nature. See, wireless. Oh, there's an airplane mode. Users, wireless, notifications. Microsoft copied Apple's switch things, which is funny. Apple didn't put it in their operating systems, which I didn't really get, because they kind of invented the switch. Wow, they must have not copyrighted it, because Microsoft usually doesn't do too much of that copywriting stuff. They should get in too much trouble with Apple. Actually, Apple's getting in trouble with Kodak because they copied something about imaging software. I don't really read up on it. It doesn't seem like there's much to it. This is a lot of stuff. Like, really weird. I don't like this so bland looking operating system. It looks really, I don't know, bad. Here's how to get to the desktop. And that's like the full control panel that you're used to on Windows 7. Yeah, it's like there's no way to do anything on a desktop without, going into this, but everything here is full screen. Okay. Oh, that desktop. Let's see if I can, let's check out internet browsing speed. Of course. Let's see. Hertz, H-E-R-T-Z-E-R, tech. There we go. I actually want to see if my program runs on here. They said it should run on here. It's pretty fast. It doesn't seem slow at all. Actually, it seems a lot faster. I think this operating system is a lot more simpler than Windows 7. Well, maybe Windows Vista was like the bad peak of Microsoft, and now they're kind of going into a nicer operating system. I should say, I don't know, Microsoft's again improving. They're definitely improving. They're going a little. They're definitely not following the traditional user interface experience. Wow. What am I doing? Okay, download. Let's see what downloading software is like. Download. I definitely do like this thing on Windows Internet Explorer 8. Just open it. And this thing takes a little while to download, so we'll let that take care of that. Yeah. So let's see there. So that's, I guess, downloading stuff. Kind of like Internet Explorer 8. Windows Explorer, of course, has a tab. I showed you this. I don't like that, as I said. Documents, library tools. Ugh, this is going to be annoying. I don't really like this. Anyway, so yeah, let's see. New. Oh, here we go. This is how we get into WordPad. You just make a new document and then open it. And there's WordPad. I guess they didn't change it yet. Let's click About, see what it looks like. Meh, no logo, just looks text there. This does seem very in like the first stages of Windows 8. They must have been working on this not too long. Well, yeah, probably a while, but it doesn't seem too different from Windows 7. So people who are hating Windows 7, you gotta get used to it. They're not getting rid of that. But actually, well, they kind of are. They're definitely making it more easier to use. The thing is, I like how Windows is a lot more complicated. Not complicated, more usable. It just seems a little more of a better operating system. And I don't like what they're doing here with Windows 8. I really, really don't. The start menu is like the god of Windows. Oh, what was that? I gotta see this. Do this. Shake on the start menu. I don't know. Hello. Right click. Properties. Oh yeah, you can change. Oh yeah, let's see what you can change on here. Small icons. Taskbar buttons. Oh yeah, you can do the simple stuff that you could on Windows 7. You guys are probably bored to death. Yeah, this doesn't seem too much different from Windows 7 in terms of the desktop experience. Yet when you get into the start menu thing, it's a lot different and a little more simpler to use, I should say. Near me. Actually looks interesting. Oh, it's done. Okay, so let's just run it. Probably this one. Oh, nice extract button. I always hate how they always hide the extract button sometimes. Or maybe they don't. And why'd they make this tab so big? And what, like, this should, like, take advantage of all the space. There's got to be, like, options for extraction. I don't know. Of course, this is in beta, so I shouldn't be criticizing them just yet, but... Oh, what's this? Windows protected your PC. A smart screen prevented unrecognized. Run anyway. Because I guarantee this is not a virus, because I made it. Let's see, yes. Plus it's virtual, so it's not going to, like, kill my computer. And don't give me the Macs never get viruses. They do. They just, I don't know. Now, next, I agree. No, duh. I made it. Next. Yeah, start. And this takes a short amount of time to install. Just close this, close that. Let's see what. Oh, great. Oh no, it always does that because there's like this file. One file takes a while to install. Then again, maybe it's because I closed the extracted file. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Pop back in. Now it's finishing. And next, exit. Okay. Oh, okay, here we go. Let's see. Okay, there it is. Oh, launching it. This shortcut icon looks a little different. Actually, kind of better. Oh, wow. This looks different. Just kind of because of the new theme. I gotta admit, yeah, the button, I don't know. It just looks, the buttons look slightly different. I don't know what it is. It just kind of has this look to it, like a little different from the Windows 7 buttons for some reason. Yeah, Pi. Of course, the menu, the bar up here is definitely different. It's similar, but it's not different. No, it's similar but different. I don't know why these buttons just look different. Maybe it's the text. Personally, I like this different top to it. And I guess they like putting the text here in the middle instead of on the side, which doesn't really matter, but this little lonely icon to the left is kind of bad. I would have thought they'd kind of creatively put those together somehow. Email. Of course, these little orange buttons are custom. They're not built default buttons for Windows. Yeah. This actually doesn't look too bad. It does look a little more like something you'd see for Windows 7 Starter for some reason. I don't know. It just doesn't seem like a full Windows 7, full Windows operating system. Yeah, maybe the buttons do look exactly the same. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. The calculator is like the only one that actually has default Windows buttons on it. Yeah, I think they're the same. I don't know. It just looks somehow it looks different. About. And there we go. So yeah, my program runs on Windows 8. I was wondering, will it? Yeah, it does. So I wonder if it shows up on the start menu thing. Yep, there it is. Oh, and it puts the uninstall there. Oh, that's not going to go good. So now it's going to put every single .exe application or .exe thing, .exe thing right here. And that includes the uninstall because that's an .exe file. Piano. Oh, I got to see this. This is going to be cool. Ooh. Loading. Yeah, I like their new loading thing with the dots. Ooh. Wow. And this is going to be nice for tablets because this thing is more designed for tablets actually. So tablets are going to be like, wow, this is cool. And the thing is, this is built into Windows, it seems. How do I exit? How do I exit anyway? This is killing me. Windows. Oh no, that's just going to bring up that stupid thing. That Mac OS X. Oh. Save song. Oh, this is the new kind of file thing saver on the new full screen thing. So I think I'm just going to end it here. How long is it? Oh, it's only almost a 20-minute video. Now I'm going to figure out how to get out of this. Do you right click? No, that's not it. Keyboard. Oh, that's like how high, like left and right. Yeah, this runs really nice and smooth. I don't know if you guys can tell, but because I'm running the screen recorder, Windows 8, and running it virtually all on, one computer, it's slower probably for you guys. Or maybe it's not, I don't know. But I tested it out, it's very fast. So, and I run Windows XP virtually, and it's not as fast. So this is definitely a definite better speed improvement, and usability issues have been kind of cleared. Does it have like the thing that, oh yeah, it has the keyboard thing, so you can use your keyboard to play the piano. Oh, and it has like, it's like, so it's like it uses the whole keyboard to play instead of just having, just using these middle keys for, what's the word, a GarageBand. So it's just a different experience. Well, I guess that's it, guys. Thanks for watching about my little Windows 8 beta or Windows developer preview thing. How do I? Oh, there we go. Task Manager definitely is a little better. Oh wait, maybe the more details. Oh, this is how you get to this stuff. Yeah, or maybe not. Oh yeah, processes. There we go. That is my favorite, best friend there. I love processes because you can just go in and turn everything off. Because there are some things Windows XP just likes turning on, and it gets really annoying. I gotta figure out how to exit those applications full screen because it's really killing me. I know it's gonna be so simple. I know it, I can feel it, and people are gonna be like yelling at me on the comments. Yeah, you do it this way. Well, I'll find out. Just overall, I don't think I really like it, but I think it's gonna be nice for tablets. But for computers, desktop computers, even laptop computers that are not touchscreen, it's not going to be a very enjoyable experience. So that's basically my review on it. Thanks for watching. Bye.